Horses out, we have a City Girl. Past the begin, Brave Lorky in second. Toyoto is racing in third, and comes Mobile. And my principal is the early trailer. Going along for the first turn, we have number 2, City Girl, by about 3 for a length. Brave Lorky is right behind in second, 2.5 lengths away in third, Mobile. Toyoto is racing in fourth, and a long way back to my principal. And it's still City Girl by about a neck, and on the outside is Brave Lorky. Mobile remains in third, Toyoto, and a long way back to my principal. And it's still City Girl by about half a length, and on the outside is Brave Lorky. Mobile now trying to get closer in third, Toyoto, and my principal. And it's still City Girl down on the inside. Now is Mobile to take the lead. Mobile takes the lead. City Girl dressed back in second. Brave Lorky is racing in third, and followed by Toyoto as they come down at the last 150. And it's still Mobile by about 3 lengths. City Girl in second, Brave Lorky, then comes Toyoto and my principal. Last 100 meters, we have Mobile this time by about 7 lengths, and finally it's Mobile. Brave Lorky, City Girl, my principal, and number 4, Toyoto.
Tumakbo ng maayos si Mobile.
Oo nga.